Important to allow leaves to just fall and naturally decompose itself within the soils. So this is nature at best. This is nature in its natural element. There's no one here trying to pick up all these leaves. These leaves are now providing shelter, life, an entire ecosystem for all the microscopic life and little fellows that live within these lands with us. So let's take a look at how rich this soil actually is. So look at that color already. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Ooh. Now this is currency. This is gold. This is abundance. Look at this rich soil. Everything we need is in the soil. Everything we need is in the soil. Everything we need. Ooh! Oh my gosh, I want to bury myself up in this. I kind of need to. Let me ground up in here. So this is what our soil will look like when we just allow nature to do its thing. We don't always gotta like get in the way, you know? Like humans be doing too much. Let's just do our part. Let nature do theirs naturally, innately, and we can be eating good. Yep. Oh my goodness. Whoosh. And this is just one area. Let's see over here. More! Ooh! Gosh, so rich. So rich.